on my leather jacket thriller. The show ain't nothing iller. Man, I'm a lady killer. If I want her, I'ma steal her. I promise I can make her fly away like caterpillars. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
And well wishes for the celebrant's journey into adulthood.
Na-appreciate ko po yung time and effort nyo na pumunta kayo dito. At sana nag-enjoy po kayo. First of all, syempre thank you po kay Mami tsaka kay Daddy. Thank you kay Mami tsaka kay Daddy kasi sila po yung naghanda ng event na to. And thank you din po sa mga tito and tita ko po na our beloved sponsors. Hindi mo matutupad yung birthday ko kung wala po sa tulong niyo. Kaya thank you so much po talaga. And special thanks po muna kay Gab Gab tsaka kay Owen sa cute and touching performance niya kanina. And again, I give my warmest thanks sa lahat po na dumanan today and kahit po sa mga hindi nakadalo, pero nag-extend po ng greetings and gifts. At higit po sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po sa Panginoon Diyos dahil binigyan niyo po ng panibagong buhay at lakas at hihiyaan niyo rin po kayo ng magmahal na pamilya at mga kaibigan. I hope na makasama ko po kayo sa pag-continue ko po sa journey ng aming buhay. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo lahat. Thank you po.
So, message would be stay being a good daughter, a loving sibling to your sister. She prayed for her sister, and so it happened after 12 years. So, layo ko na agad na yan. And then, what else? Consistent honor student po. Hindi naman sa nagayabang, pero pinagmamayabang ko po. Ano pa ba? Narinig ko sa mga friends mo, mother. Parang mother figure ka nila. So, I think I raised a good child. Nakakatawa ng puso kasi parang nagre-reflect yun kung paano mo ni-raise yung kid mo. Nakakatuwa that at her age, matured enough to help when it comes to finances. Good adjectives won't be enough to praise this girl here in front of me na napakabait po ng anak ko. So, pagka may lakad, nagpapaalam. So, yun, we're just so blessed na napakabait po ni Layla. So, thank you, anak, for being a good daughter. We're always here to support you. We are your pillars of your strength. Not just from God, yung strength mo, but also lagi kami nakasupport. Whatever it is, kahit hindi ka makasama sa honors, okay lang yun, basta nagtututo ka. Okay lang yun. When it comes to the school of your choice, there's maybe some school would close doors for you, but there will be more who open much better. Okay? Minsan, tinatanggal ni ng ama yun kasi for you to hold a bigger gift. Okay? So, we'll always be here for you. Dad and I will always be there for you. I love you!
Ladies and gentlemen, our debut na, Layla Yvonne C. Bailan.